In this video, we compose a tweet now to send at a scheduled time in the future. Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Fix Flicks. The ability to compose and schedule a tweet to be sent at a specific time and date up to 18 months ahead has previously only been available via third-party services and on mobile devices, and has long been requested in the browser version. In this video, we walk through an example of scheduling a tweet, as well as the bonus drafting feature. Here, we're using the desktop version of Google Chrome, running on Windows. From our Twitter page, we compose a tweet in the usual way, but at the Compose dialog, we see an additional calendar icon. We click it to reveal our scheduling options. We need to select a value in each of the 6 drop-down boxes to ensure that the tweet is sent at a date and time of our choosing. In this example, we're composing a tweet on Wednesday, which we intend to send at 2 PM on Friday, announcing the release of our latest tutorial video. Clicking the day drop-down, we select 26th from the list. The year drop-down serves as an indication as to how far into the future we are able to schedule our tweets, and clearly this time frame is sufficient for most users. The hour drop-down is in 12-hour format, requiring a further field selecting between AM and PM. So we select 2, understanding that we need to specify the afternoon rather than the morning later. At the minute drop-down, we round up to the top of the hour before using the AM-PM selector. The time zone cannot be amended here and is taken from our master configuration, so do keep this in mind if you're targeting an audience in an alternative zone. We click confirm, and now we're ready to compose our tweet in the usual way. Note, however, a new message advising that this tweet will be sent using the schedule we've specified. We have entirely free choice as to the content of the tweet, and we include a graphic sourced from a local folder, in this case our video thumbnail. With the graphic in place, we add some text, announcing and linking to the video, before clicking the schedule button. In the lower part of the screen, we receive notification that our tweet will be sent in accordance with the schedule, and for the first time, we no longer need to tweet at the moment when our video goes live, with scheduling taking care of the timing of the tweet. What if we need to make changes to the scheduling or content of the tweet? In this instance, we again click the Compose icon, and we're taken to the usual dialog. However, in the upper right, we see an Unsent Tweets link, which we click. Note that there are 2 types of unsent tweets, and we'll cover drafts later in the tutorial. As we have no drafts, it appears as though we have no unsent tweets, but clicking the Scheduled tab reveals our scheduled content, and the time of its future posting. Clicking the tweet makes it editable, and we can revise any aspect of it exactly as we would with an unsent tweet, and we click Schedule to confirm our changes. Clicking Edit provides us with a means to select individual or multiple tweets, and delete them should we so wish. We schedule a second tweet describing the content of our video. Now let's look at drafts. Again, we compose a tweet, and here it is. We're not ready to send it yet, so we click the cross icon in the upper left. Doing so prompts the appearance of a dialog, offering the choice between discarding and saving our text. We click to save, and receive notification to that effect in the lower part of the window. With our draft saved, we now need to access it, and again, the pathway is through the Compose button. Again, we won't be composing new content here, but rather clicking on the Unsent Tweets option. With a draft now saved, we see it in the Drafts column, and clicking it reopens it for further editing. We could immediately tweet it, schedule it as we've previously seen, or keep it within drafts by returning to the cross icon. Here we confirm our intention to resave. At the edit screen, we can select our draft tweet and delete it without ever having posted it. As we'd expect, we are required to confirm the deletion, and again, we're advised by way of a notification in the lower portion of the screen. By the time you see this video, the tweets will have been published, with no further work required from us. You'll find us on Twitter at TechFixFlicks, and whilst we're currently using it largely to advertise new video content here on YouTube, we'll be expanding upon that as our subscriber base increases. On the subject of YouTube, be sure to check out our back catalogue of tutorials and subscribe for our future projects. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are 2 suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.